Good morning and welcome back to Gorge River. As you can see, it's an absolutely lovely day here. Today though is actually my day to leave. I've been here for 7 days. Today I'm going to be flying in a helicopter from Gorge River up to the Cascade Road end. That's our closest road, and that's what usually takes us 1 to 2 days to walk, or about 10 minutes in a helicopter. This is going to be my first step towards going back to Antarctica again. While I've been at home, I've been making a few videos. I interviewed Mum and Dad, answered a whole bunch of questions about Gorge River, and also made a pretty cool video on my flight in, which was in a fixed wing aircraft with Blair from Haast. So check those videos out if you're interested in more about my life at Gorge River. So today I'm flying with Haast Heli Services, and if you are ever in Southwestern needing some helicopter work, they have a couple of helicopters based out of Haast and they're pretty awesome, definitely worth giving a call. Their details are in the text below this video. It's always sad to leave Gorge River, I really love it here, but at the same time I get to go on some other amazing adventures around the world as well, so I'm kind of got the best of both worlds. I feel really comfortable living in isolated wilderness places like Gorge River or Antarctica. But then I'm just as comfortable to be in a big city like Shanghai or Bangkok as well. So I'm super lucky. I feel I have the best of both worlds. Living here at Gorge River gave me a range of skills that you just don't get anywhere else. So since the helicopter's coming to pick me up, we're getting a supply drop at the same time. And my sister Robin has jumped into the helicopter and come down along for the ride, and she gets to see Mum and Dad for a couple of hours, which is great. So we made it to Haast. Scott had a couple of jobs to do along the way, so we got to get a pretty good look at Southwestern, which was a lot of fun. And the flight to Haast was a little bit longer than I thought as well, so extra bonus. So as I said, I'm going to leave their details in the box below, Haast Heli Services. If you need some helicopter work done in Southwestern, these are the guys to talk to. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And otherwise, until next time, thanks for watching.